Hi everyone, Vi from myfractalrange.com here, and today I want to talk about an exciting new feature which is available on myfractalrange.com, which is a custom correlations table. So the best way for me to show you how it works is to literally start from scratch and create one. So you will notice that there is this tab called correlations. If we go here, Uh, before that, only this page was available, so we were showing a predefined list of assets and changing correlations between them across multiple time frames. Now we have two more tabs. One is custom correlations, and another one is add correlation. So let's go to custom correlations, and there are no custom correlation matrices here because we have not created one. So let's go to add correlation. Now we will make a new one, and yeah, let's create a name. Let's say custom matrix, just for the sake of example. Okay, so we need to enter tickers, and we need to separate them with commas. So let's try it out. So let's say Apple, Tesla, NVIDIA. These stickers are random. Uh, I will just enter some popular ones, so it will be some US stocks, some US ETFs, and so on. So, okay, let's say Microsoft, let's say PLTR, which is uh, be, which became already a joke because it's one of my favorite stocks. What else can we add? Okay, of course, SPY just for reference. Then we will add maybe Meta, maybe AMD. Some people like to see that as well. Netflix, why not? Couple of international ETFs, so EWG, EWZ. Okay, yeah, and we can choose a time frame, and you can choose any time frame you want. So let's do 10, 10 days, which is a nice time frame. Okay, so save correlation. Now what happened? In custom correlations, we have this table, and now you see a 10-day correlation between these assets. So of course now you can see that, for example, Meta has a negative correlation to Palantir. Also, Apple has negative correlation to Palantir. What else? Yeah, all our correlations are positive, but yeah, now you see that PLTR behaves differently for sure, and also no surprise. For example, if we go to in some international ETFs like EWG or EWZ, you will see that there is almost no correlation to SPY. For example, EWG has 0.002, which is basically zero. So these two assets are non-correlated. And you can create multiple tables, and you will see all these tables in this custom correlations tab. At least for me, correlations are a very important part of my process. That's why I always wanted to expand on our features related to correlations and make this app even better and more useful. And of course, we have plans to add additional correlation related features in the future. But yeah, one thing to note, that you can have multiple ones. So for example, now if you go to correlation, you create something new, let's say second matrix. Okay, second matrix, and let's just add TLT, IEF, UUP, SPY. Yeah, for this example, it's enough. So save correlations, and now you have a second table, and you can have multiple, and also you can click here and change the period. So if, for example, you want to change the period, you don't need to create another matrix. You just click to change the period, and that's it. So yeah, I'm talking about correlations all the time. If you watch our market talks or follow us on Twitter, you know how important correlations are for me and for our power users. So yeah, I hope it's useful, and I'm really excited to show you this feature, because like I said, it's not about the quantity of features, but about the quality. And I think that this feature is very important. I hope it was helpful. Have a nice day and manage your risk.